Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how to clear cache and cookies from your Google Chrome browser. We open Google Chrome. Go to the right corner and find the three dots. Select Delete Browsing Data. Here you can choose Basic or Advanced. You have more options in the Advanced tab, but we go with the Basic one. First, we want to choose what time range we are going to delete. Select all if your browser is slow or you have issues. Under the time range, can we choose browser history, cookies, or cache? We select them all to ensure all data is cleared. Click Delete Data. Close the browser and open it again. Now your browser is fresh with no cookies and no data. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. Feel free to comment if you need more guides, tips, or tricks. See you in the next one.